This is the building. It's a 40 by 25 by almost 16 feet tall dedicated structure with the room inside. Like I mentioned, it's kind of out in the woods. So I'm just surrounded by, here's my other shot by the way. I'm surrounded by woods and the house is up through the trees right there, and here's the driveway back down. So let's take a quick tour. I've got a forklift that we've been bringing all this heavy stuff in, stacks of MLV, thousands of pounds of that stuff, and all the MDF and all the structure that is going into this. So you can see the outside of the room, all the way up through to the ceiling, is all encased in 1-inch thick MDF. The entire thing is. It's like a giant speaker box, I guess. Here's some of the stuffing that's going to go into the walls. As you know, Dennis Foley of Acoustic Fields has done the room design, and he calls for a 12-inch stud space, which we've done. And then the entire room is designed to hold his technology, which is multiple layers inside the stud space. And then finally, there will be activated carbon boxes that'll go in all of these and the ceiling all the way across to attenuate the low frequency response of the room. The interior of the room is 21 feet wide by 31 feet long. And I tried to get 13 feet out of it, but I just couldn't given the structure or the way we have to build the ceiling. So it's going to be like 12 feet 2 inches or thereabouts. The walls were so heavy, and the exterior of the wall is literally right next to the building, that we had to build this in sections. So the lower section gets bolted to the next section, and we use a forklift to lift all this stuff up because it's so darn heavy, and get it up there for that final third section. The ceiling rafters are not just any kind of rafter. I tried to use I-joists, engineered I-joists, and Dennis said, oh, absolutely not near enough volume or mass. So these are 13 3/4 inch by 3 1/8 inch by 22 feet long LVL beams. They'll literally hold, I think, 260 pounds per foot, per beam. So I guess I could park a cement truck on top of this thing and not have an issue. It's way overbuilt if it was a typical structure, but he was very happy that I'm using this kind of mass. And notice all the mass-loaded vinyl is literally encasing this entire room. And then the filler here we go. The filler here has layers of OSB, MDF, and OSB. So this is an 8-inch space, and this is a 10-inch space. And it alternates back and forth and back and forth. And then the final will be when I come and install the carbon boxes in each one of these. And I think I've got, I don't know, 15,000, 17,000 pounds of carbon coming in order to finalize the acoustics of the room. The sheathing on the outside, on the inside of the room will be 3/4 maple, which will be beautiful. The entire front wall is going to be using Dennis's QRD boxes. They're 17 well, so I believe they're 16 inches deep. So they've got a pretty wide frequency range that they will distribute the sound with. So that entire wall, and then I'll come back over here, and where the entrance is, this entire wall, including the door, will be covered with QRD, and the door also will have carbon diaphragmatic filtering technology in the doors also. We're going to custom make the doors. I'm actually welding up some hinges. I found some hinges that'll hold 200 pounds of hinge. They're stainless, but we need wider brackets. Nobody has any brackets that'll go that deep into a 12-inch door. So a little bit of an engineering exercise, but I think it'll turn out okay. Let's see what else is going on. All this is bolted together, and then of course the flooring, the footers are bolted into the concrete all the way around. Really excited about this. It's quite an exercise, but I think it's going to be just simply amazing when finished. I'm hoping that I can go live with this maybe toward the 1st of December, but we'll see. Anyhow, I'll post this up, and as we get the carbon boxes filled, I'll take another video and show you how those are going in, and you know, how the room is progressing. Appreciate y'all's interest. Bye.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that, because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.